It's the grand opening of Phase 4. Lots and custom homes are for sale now at Smith Lake RV and Cabin Resort. Are you looking for carefree lake living at its finest? Enjoy lake property ownership without the maintenance, plus access to a host of lake and resort amenities right outside your front door. Soak up the sun at our saltwater pools. Relax in the shade of the Lakeside Pavilion or Clubhouse. And cast a line on Smith Lake or the stocked fishing ponds. Go tubing, skiing, or tie up at the boat slips and listen to the latest fish tale. Stroll the boardwalk, greet your neighbors, or settle in for the afternoon around the grill and friendly conversation. Join us June 1st for our Phase 4 grand opening celebration event. Tour the resort and explore the available lots and custom homes for sale for full or part-time living. Own your piece of paradise and enjoy carefree lake living. Call or visit Smith Lake RV and Cabin Resort in Alabama today.